Chelsea Lavallee, too.
We're here today to celebrate Manitoba Women in Trades. We had a jam-packed day full of women presenters. Over 50 women were here today to really share their insight, to provide mentorship and guidance to new entrants, and to help advance those already working in construction.
Well, these are the 3 priorities that CC has.
It's just so great to see the future of construction here. All kinds of people from different walks of life, so many inspirational women, a really good feel around collaboration and sharing and learning.
Please join me in welcoming Mayor Scott Gillingham.
We need people, we need workers, we need labor. And so there's a great opportunity and a great need that we have right now to address the labor shortage. The best way to solve this problem and address this need is by reaching to those that are right now underrepresented segments of the workforce, and not only showing them the opportunities that exist, but also ensuring that they feel welcome and supported on the job site and throughout the industry network.
You know what, you can just feel the buzz at the Women in Trades conference. I think it's wonderful for women to be able to come out and see that the trades can be an option for them as a career.
The participants that attended the conference this year varied vastly. There was employers, superintendents, there was estimators, there was women who worked as career counselors in schools. As far as students, we had Indigenous women from Buren's River, Cross Lake, Punamuntang, who shared their experience in their project and their employment now in construction. Clan Mothers Healing Village, their students were here today as well.
MCSC has a very big part in the delivery of the training that is involved in our organization.
Come on, Clan Mothers, stand up.
And we decided to incorporate the conference as part of our training program.
Be a mentor to others coming up behind us.
It is a wonderful, wonderful thing to see so many young women looking at trades as a potential career opportunity. And one of the things that we often say is, why not make $50 your new entry-level wage in a career that could be absolutely exciting? You see a lot of pioneers who have come before you, who have paved the way.
My name is Jade Turner. I'm Cree from Miss Paisa Cree Nation, and I work for Manitoba Hydro. I like to see other women that are up and coming in the trades, and I like to show them that we can do. I'm small. I am 5'0" nothing, and I like to show that anybody that wants to be in the trades, they can do it.
My name is Iman Flo. I am a newcomer. I'm from Sudan, and yeah, it's wonderful. It's a good opportunity for me. So I want to say thank you so much for Manitoba construction sector to allowing me to have this opportunity and attending this event.
Together we can do this. Thank you.